Welcome to Petro Projik, specialists in welding, inspection, and engineering training. Today we will briefly explain the heat-affected zone, or HAZ, in welding. The heat-affected zone is the area of the base metal adjacent to the weld that does not melt, but undergoes microstructural changes due to welding heat. These changes occur because the material is heated above critical temperatures and then cooled at different rates. The size of the HAZ depends on several technical factors, including heat input, welding speed, material type and thickness, thermal conductivity, and weld joint geometry. Higher heat input or slower welding speed results in a larger HAZ. The HAZ is often the weakest region of a welded joint. Microstructural changes can reduce mechanical strength, lower corrosion resistance, and increase brittleness, leading to crack initiation and possible weld failure. HAZ is not limited to welding processes. Thermal cutting methods also produce a heat-affected zone. However, laser cutting generates a minimal HAZ due to its highly concentrated and localized heat source. Although the heat-affected zone cannot be eliminated, it can be effectively controlled by optimizing welding parameters, using appropriate joint design, applying concentrated heat sources, and performing pre- and post-weld heat treatment when required. Understanding the heat-affected zone is essential for producing safe, reliable, and defect-free welds. At Petro Projik, we provide professional training courses led by international expert instructors, delivering the highest level of technical knowledge in welding and inspection. Join Petro Projik and advance your professional skills.